Achieving captivating, voluminous lashes is a desire shared by many. Often, the quest for those perfect lashes leads us to expensive salon appointments. Now imagine recreating that salon-quality lash look from the comfort of your home. Introducing the FANXITON DIY Lash Extension Kit, your secret weapon to effortlessly glamorous lashes. This all-inclusive kit empowers you to achieve professional-looking lash extensions without breaking the bank. Whether you're a lash extension novice or a seasoned pro, FANXITON makes the process seamless and enjoyable. Get ready to unlock the world of DIY lash extensions and embrace a new era of beauty confidence. With FANXITON, stunning, fluttery lashes are just an application away. The FANXITON DIY Lash Extension Kit is thoughtfully designed to ensure a smooth and successful lash application experience, even for beginners. Each component plays a crucial role in achieving those flawless, long-lasting lashes that everyone desires. Upon opening the sleek packaging, you'll be greeted by an array of carefully curated tools, each designed with precision. First, you'll find the star of the show, the FANXITON Lash Clusters, which are the heart of this kit. These clusters are available in a variety of lengths and curls to cater to every eye shape and desired lash style, ensuring a perfect match for everyone. Next, you'll discover the Lash Bond and Seal, essential for a secure application. This dynamic duo works in perfect harmony to ensure your lash extensions stay put all day and night, providing long-lasting wear. The kit also includes a specialized pair of tweezers, expertly crafted to provide precise and effortless lash application, making the process smooth and easy. Lastly, a handy lash brush is included to help you blend your natural lashes seamlessly with the extensions for the most natural finish, giving you that professional look right at home. At the heart of the FANXITON DIY Lash Extension Kit lie the exquisite lash clusters. Crafted with the utmost care and precision, these clusters are what truly elevate the FANXITON experience. They are meticulously designed to mimic the look and feel of natural lashes. Made with high-quality, vegan-friendly fibers, the lash clusters are incredibly soft, lightweight, and comfortable to wear. You won't experience any of that uncomfortable, plasticky feel that some synthetic lashes can have. What sets FANXITON Lash Clusters apart is their remarkable resemblance to natural lashes. The clusters seamlessly blend with your own lashes, creating a flawless, undetectable enhancement. Section 4. Effortless Application, a step-by-step guide to lash perfection. One of the most remarkable features of the FANXITON DIY Lash Extension Kit is its user-friendly application process, designed to make lash perfection accessible to everyone. Even if you're new to the world of lash extensions, you'll find the process surprisingly simple and intuitive. The kit comes with detailed instructions that guide you through each step, ensuring you achieve professional-looking results. Start by cleansing your natural lashes with an oil-free makeup remover to ensure a clean canvas for the extensions to adhere to. This step is crucial as it removes any oils or residues that could affect the bonding process. Next, dispense a small amount of the lash bond onto a clean surface and gently coat the base of a lash cluster. Make sure to use just enough bond to cover the base without oversaturating it. Carefully lift the lash cluster with the tweezers and place it at the base of your natural lashes, pressing gently to secure it in place. Precision is key here, so take your time to align the cluster properly. Repeat this process, attaching the lash clusters one by one, until you achieve your desired level of fullness and drama. You can customize the look by adding more clusters for a fuller effect or fewer for a more natural appearance. Once all the clusters are applied, seal them in place with a thin coat of the lash sealant. This step is essential for ensuring the longevity of your lash extensions. This will ensure your lashes stay put all day and night without any fear of falling off. Enjoy your stunning, long-lasting lash extensions and the confidence they bring. Section 5. FANXITON, your gateway to affordable lash transformation. The FANXITON DIY Lash Extension Kit is a game-changer for anyone seeking an affordable and convenient way to achieve stunning salon-quality lashes at home. No more expensive salon visits or time-consuming appointments. With FANXITON, you can achieve professional results in the comfort of your own home. It empowers you to embrace your inner lash artist and experiment with different lash styles to create a look that's uniquely you. Whether you prefer a natural look or something more dramatic, FANXITON has you covered. Beyond its remarkable quality and ease of use, FANXITON stands out for its commitment to sustainability. The packaging is eco-friendly and the company is dedicated to reducing its environmental footprint. The lash clusters are reusable, making it an eco-conscious choice for beauty enthusiasts. You can enjoy beautiful lashes while also being kind to the planet. Should you have any questions or require assistance, their dedicated customer support team is always ready to help. They're committed to ensuring you have the best experience possible. Experience the transformative power of FANXITON and discover a world where beautiful, voluminous lashes are just a few simple steps away. The easy-to-follow instructions make the application process a breeze. Indulge in the FANXITON experience and get ready to bat those gorgeous lashes with confidence. Transform your look and feel glamorous every day with FANXITON.